Okay, first isomorphism theorem in group theory. First isomorphism theorem in group theory. The statement is let phi be a group homomorphism from G to G bar. Then the mapping G, the factor group G by kernel phi to phi of G defined by G kernel phi mapped to phi of G is an isomorphism. That is, psi is a psi from the factor group G by kernel phi to phi of G defined by psi of that equal to psi of G kernel phi equal to phi of G is an isomorphism. Isomorphism, to prove that is an isomorphism. The given mapping is psi from the factor group G by kernel phi to phi of G defined by psi of G kernel phi equal to phi of G, coset. G kernel phi means coset. H is a coset. Then elements of that is A star H or A into H, where H from capital H. The elements of the form, the set is AH, the coset. Like G kernel phi is a coset. So any element in that is G into or G star elements in kernel phi. Okay. To prove psi is an isomorphism, it is enough to prove psi is well defined. First one is to prove well defined, second is to prove 1 and to prove preserve the operation. Preserve the operation, and it is the mapping from 2 phi of G, though it is not to prove it is onto, because it is from the codomain is phi of G. Therefore, the mapping psi is an isomorphism. Okay. To prove it is well defined, for proving a function f from A to B is well defined, for that we select any two elements in domain x equal to y. We select two elements and to say they are equal, then to prove their image is equal. X equal to y implies f of x equal to f of y, then f is well defined. To prove f is 1, it is enough to prove we assume f of x equal to f of y, that is the image of two elements are same, then prove that elements are same. That is the reverse of the proof of the well defined. Our first step is to prove psi is well defined. So we select any two elements in codomain or domain, any two elements in domain, that is G kernel phi equal to H kernel phi. Any element that group is G kernel phi or H kernel phi or A kernel phi or A, G, H are elements in G. G kernel phi equal to H kernel phi, therefore H inverse G element kernel phi, that is the property of cosets. If AH equal to BH, which implies B inverse A element H or A inverse B element H. For using that result, G kernel phi equal to H kernel phi, then H inverse G element kernel phi. Then what is kernel phi? Any kernel phi means whose image under phi is equal to the identity element. Since phi is an homomorphism, this again written as phi of H inverse into phi of G equal to E. Then phi is an homomorphism, this again written as phi H the whole inverse into phi of G equal to E. Again this again written as phi of G equal to phi of H. B inverse A equal to E, then written as A equal to B. Phi of G equal to phi of H, then phi of G means psi of G kernel phi by definition, and psi of H means psi H kernel phi. Therefore, psi is well defined. The second part is to prove phi psi is 1, 1. So we select two element and we assume their image are equal. Select two elements in a domain and we assume their images are equal. Then to prove that elements are equal. Then by definition it is phi of G, then phi of H. Then this again written as phi of H all inverse I into phi of G equal to E. Then again this written as phi of H inverse G equal to E. Therefore H inverse G element kernel phi. H inverse G element kernel phi implies G kernel phi equal to H kernel phi. Therefore psi is 1, 1. That is our aim to prove is psi is 1, 1. It is enough to prove the images are equal for any two elements, then to prove that elements are equal. Okay. Then the last step is to prove psi is preserve the operation. Psi preserve the operation means psi xy equal to psi of x into psi of y. So we select psi of two elements, that one element is G kernel phi and another element is H kernel phi. Then the properties of cosets, this again written as GH kernel phi. Then by definition this can be written as phi of GH. Then phi is a homomorphism, therefore phi of G into phi of H. Then what is phi of H? Psi of G kernel phi and phi of H, psi of H kernel phi. That is preserve the operation. Hence using 1, 2, 3, then psi is an isomorphism. Okay.